Okay, so let's look at some words then. Let's have a look. So, although, a nice word to interject in a sentence. I'm going to learn Spanish, although I need to practice every day. I'm going to go to Spain, although the flights are delayed, although there's a lot of snow over there. Talking about something, but then something might change it. I want to learn Portuguese, although I need to master Spanish first. Anyway, regardless, I'm going to learn Portuguese anyway, even if I haven't finished Spanish. I want to go to Russia anyway, even though it's far away. Well, okay, not there yet, but anyway, I'm going to go to Russia. Regardless. Doesn't matter. Not going to stop me. Not going to stop me. I'm going to go. And, very nice. Very ubiquitous, common. I need a pen. And, well, I have a red pen and a black pen. I have a whiteboard and a wall. I have a shirt and suspenders. We're listing things. And. I'm going to read Lord of the Rings and Ayn Rand. And then I have loads of other books to read. And I'm going to write my own novels. Although I've already written one in the past. As. Talking about how something is alike. This is as tall as that. As tall as that. I am as smart as you. I am as tall as him. We are as fast as them. As. My car is as old as yours. As old as yours. I am as young as you. As young as you. We're the same age. As well as is almost like saying and. I need a red pen, as well as a black pen. I need my suspenders as well as a white shirt to teach English, to teach my lessons. Makes sense. As long as, talking about the time. As long as I am here and dressed, I'll teach a lesson. As long as it is daytime, I have plenty of light. As long as I have ideas, I will record more lessons. As long as it is winter, it's going to be cold here. Yeah. Or the winter is as long as the winter in France, for example. The summer is as long as the summers in Germany. Makes sense. As soon as, talking about time. As soon as I finish this lecture, I will record the next one. As soon as I finished this course, I will upload it. As soon as I have planned the next course, I will plan the one after that. I will plan one more. As soon as I'm ready, I'll get teaching. About to. Something is going to happen soon. I am about to talk to them. I am about to teach you more words. You are about to listen and learn. Makes sense. They are about to go to London. I am about to go to China. I am about to start learning Portuguese. I am about to hit a milestone with my Spanish language. I am about to hit, or I'm about to achieve my 30th course. Makes sense. Going to happen soon. Going to happen soon. Very nice. And after. So this happens first, and then this happens afterwards, second. First and second, and after, or third, and fourth and fifth. After the class, well, I'm teaching a lesson, and after the class, I will record the next one. As soon as I have finished, I will record the next course. Makes sense. Then afterwards, I'll plan the next one. And after each course, I will plan and record after. I'll keep going. As long as I have a schedule, I'll keep recording. And after each course, I'll upload it straight away. And after each lesson, I will clean the whiteboard. Makes sense. And already, like have, got, now. I already have a red pen. I already have a black pen. Makes sense. We already have enough pens. I already have enough ideas. Oh yeah. I already have enough time. Time to record. Yeah. We have already seen the film. I have already been to Mexico. I've already been to Spain. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. How cool is that? So although, anyway, regardless, and, as well as long as something goes by, as it happens, as soon as, about to, I'm about to teach the lesson, about to, going to happen soon, about to do it, about to tell you the secret. After, what comes next, 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 next. And already, have got now. I already have a pen. I've already been to Spain. I've already been to Mexico. I've already been to America. Makes sense. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.